Slider windows are a popular choice for many Metairie homes. They offer a clean, modern look and are easy to operate. With Louisiana's warm climate and frequent storms, they also provide excellent ventilation when they're working properly. But like any part of your home, slider windows won't last forever. Over time, wear and tear can affect their performance, comfort, and safety. If you're unsure whether it's time for an upgrade, here are the most common signs it's time to replace slider windows in your Metairie home. Difficulty opening and closing. One of the biggest advantages of slider windows is how smoothly they glide along their track. If your windows are sticking, jamming, or refusing to open easily, that's a red flag. In Metairie's humid climate, moisture can cause frames to warp or tracks to corrode. Dirt and debris can also build up in the tracks over time. While minor issues can sometimes be repaired, persistent difficulty usually signals deeper structural wear. If you're constantly forcing your windows open or closed, it may be safer and more cost-effective to replace them entirely. Drafts and air leaks. Do you feel warm air sneaking in during the summer or cool air escaping when you run the AC? Drafty windows are a clear sign that seals have failed. Slider windows rely on tight seals to keep outside air and moisture from entering your home. When those seals break down, your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. In Metairie's hot and humid environment, that can quickly lead to higher energy bills. If you notice rising utility costs or rooms that never seem to stay cool, replacing old slider windows with energy-efficient models can significantly improve comfort and reduce monthly expenses. Condensation between glass panes. If you see fog or moisture trapped between the panes of glass, your window's insulating seal has likely failed. Double-pane slider windows are designed to provide insulation by sealing gas between the layers of glass. When that seal breaks, moisture gets in and insulation performance drops. This not only affects your home's energy efficiency but can also lead to mold growth if left untreated. In a place like Metairie, where humidity levels are often high, compromised windows can create ongoing moisture problems. Once condensation forms between panes, replacement is usually the best solution. Visible damage or rot. Take a close look at your window frames. Do you see cracks, soft spots, peeling paint, or signs of rot? Wooden frames are especially vulnerable to moisture damage in South Louisiana's climate. Vinyl and aluminum frames can also warp, corrode, or crack over time. Damaged frames reduce your home's protection against heavy rain and strong winds. With hurricane season always a concern in Metairie, sturdy and reliable windows are essential. If the frame is compromised, replacing the entire unit provides better long-term protection and peace of mind. Increased outside noise. Slider windows should help buffer outside noise from traffic, neighbors, and storms. If your home suddenly seems louder than before, your windows may not be insulating as effectively as they once did. Older windows often lack modern sound-reducing features. Upgrading to new, well-sealed slider windows with improved glass technology can create a quieter and more comfortable living space. Frequent repairs. Are you calling for window repairs more often than you'd like? Replacing hardware, patching seals, or fixing tracks again and again can add up. At a certain point, the cost of ongoing repairs outweighs the investment in new windows. New slider windows are designed with improved materials and updated technology that last longer and perform better in Metairie's climate. Outdated appearance. Windows play a big role in your home's curb appeal. If your slider windows look worn, faded, or outdated, they can bring down the overall appearance of your property. Modern slider windows come in a variety of styles and finishes that can refresh your home's look. Whether you plan to stay long-term or sell in the future, replacing old windows can increase property value and make your home more attractive to buyers. Time for an upgrade? If you've noticed one or more of these signs, it may be time to replace the slider windows in your Metairie home. New windows improve comfort, energy efficiency, security, and storm protection, while enhancing the beauty of your space. Living in Metairie means preparing for heat, humidity, and seasonal storms. Investing in high-quality replacement slider windows ensures your home stays comfortable and protected year-round.